Isabel, how's it going?
Everything's great.
What are you doing today? You look like you geared up for something important.
I'm skydiving today, literally
Nice.
jumping out of a plane.
Have you ever jumped out of an airplane before?
No,
What's the special occasion?
just why not?
Right,
Literally,
awesome.
why not? Like, why
All
not?
right, well, do you have anything to say to anybody before you jump?
If I live, this is going to change the trajectory of my life. If I die happy and not suffering. So
Fair
don't be
enough.
sad.
Awesome. Well, it's a beautiful day in Florida. Let's go have some fun.
Go!
Yeah.
I'm ready. I'm already excited. It's so beautiful. It's gonna look so cool going down, man.
Sure is.
It's gonna look amazing.
All right, well, have a great time. We'll see you outside this airplane in just a couple minutes.
See you outside.
Ladies and gentlemen, we interrupt our program of dance music to bring you a special bulletin from Music London.
Oh my god!
You didn't have any fun, did you?
I had the best time of my life!
Good. Let me move this out of the way.
Oh my god, man! Bro, I'm going again!
Oh, yeah.
Oh my god, Carlos! Thanks, man!
Isabel, what was your favorite part?
Bro, just the immediate drop from the plane and just feeling yourself full throttle, nothing around you, nothing to grab. It is just you in the fucking sky.
Yeah.
It's amazing. Holy shit.
I guess you do that again?
I'm about to go buy another round.
Congratulations. Thanks for
you.
jumping with
Thanks,
us.
guys.
Yeah, yeah.
Let me loosen that harness up. Stay right here.